Family Crafts. Oh my!
What's up, guys?
Today we're gonna be making
a unicorn paw.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh
What's
yeah!
that?
What's that? Alright, so we did the dab, so let's turn it around so you can see. It's called Unicorn Purse by Creativity for Kids.
And we have these inside.
Oh yeah, she's gonna be putting all that stuff inside. And then in the back, this shows you everything that you need. And in the front, they go unicorn. You know that she has a little unicorn bow. Let me fix that.
Yeah, I got one to do the SeaWorld concert.
Alright, so there we go. She got her bow on. We ready to go. So let's open it. Want me to open it for you?
I know how to open it.
Oh, okay, go ahead, open it. You can open it
I
right
know.
Right here, this
know
flap.
that.
No, right here, look.
I know that, Dad.
Alright, so let's take the stuff out.
Instructions,
Okay.
guys. This is the instruction, guys.
We're gonna follow step by step on how to do it. Alright, what else we got in here, Ava? That's the instructions, so what else is in there? What's that? Okay, so what is this? This is the actual purse? What else we got in here?
Whoa.
Okay, we have the accessories that go in there. I think I see one more thing in there. Can you get it?
Whoa.
That looks like the eyes.
This looks like the eyeballs.
Alright, so first things first, we're gonna take the purse out. And then while you do that, I'll take the rest of the stuff.
My lips are dry, guys.
Ooh, let me see it. That looks cool. I like it.
It's a rainbow. It's a rainbow.
It's rainbow.
And it also has the pocket pulled out.
It has a pocket.
Yeah, look.
That is cool.
What's that? Daddy, what does that called anyway? What is it called?
What is it called? What called that? Oh, I think that's where one of these things go. It looks like it. I'm trying to untie it. So we're gonna need, there's two types. There's a long and a short. So let's see this one. We're gonna see which one is the one that goes on
I found the ball. And it can go on me in the wood, right? It went on me. What? It just went on me. We got the instructions here.
Yep.
I was saying after I make it, right?
Alright, so let's get the first thing, which is we need the short one. And that one is gonna go in the front right here. So let's look for the short one. So which one of these strings is short? This one here, right?
Yeah, this one.
Okay, so look, we gotta do this. Look, we gotta put them together. So let's put them together nicely like this. Two, that's three. Let's get the other two, which is here, right? We gotta take this. This is like our needle, right? We're gonna put this in like this.
And then we'll see the section.
Yep. So we're gonna put this in like this.
And then we're gonna do this.
Look.
The stickers.
Yep. And then we're gonna take this, and then we're gonna take this, and we're gonna weed this through like that. Let's see if we can get it.
And here we go.
Let's see if we could get it without this breaking. All right.
I got another one.
So now let's do the other one. So this one here, let's read the instructions. All right. So with that one, we gotta leave it like this. Okay. Look, we're gonna do it like this. You gotta fold it.
This way or this way?
Like this. Look. You go like this. Then you gotta put this with it. Look. No, put this with it. What are you doing?
I'm still making it. Get the pause.
Alright, so let's put these together like this. Ay, ay, ay. Let's put these together like this, right?
Wait, I'm doing this.
Alright, so look, we gotta go like this. Look. Hold on.
No.
Wait, you gotta go like this. Look, I'll show you. You gotta put this in like this. Actually, you gotta go the other way. You gotta go like this. Look. Like this.
Wait, I don't want to do it.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Wait, not all out. Ah, you did it again. Oh, let's do that one more time.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna go in like this. Right? And then we're gonna take these two, right? And we're gonna go under like that.
And then, now we're done making those.
And then we pull it. So here, let's pull it. Pull it like this. Good job. There we go. So now it's nice and tight. We try You're pulling it so tight, you're gonna break it. All right, so now this is what it should look like. So let's show it to the camera. That's what it should look like, just like this. All right.
Now we're gonna do the eyeball.
Now we're gonna do the eyes. All right, so let's look at the picture. All right, so the eyeballs go like right here somewhere. Good. Then you're gonna put the other one on. You can put them on. Good job. All right, so then we gotta put. That is cool. So now we gotta put the ears on. I mean, we gotta put this one. So put that on. That goes right here. Up all the way. Look, yeah, look for that little pin. Yep, popping in. It's like a button. Got it? Like this.
You don't know what is the.
There we go. And now we gotta do the ears.
What's the inside thing?
Here.
What is
Oh no, that one you gotta put your own stuff inside. So here, look, try these. So we're gonna put these here. Like that. Like that.
Oh.
Yep. Like if you was putting on like a shirt that has some button. You got it?
Nope.
Yeah, let me help.
I know how to.
You got it? Okay.
How you?
Let me see.
I'm late.
Oh man. 1 hour later.
1 hour later.
Hey, let me help you.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so we got that on. Alright, so now we got that, let's put your bow. Your bow is gonna go right through this. Not like this, look. You see that little slot that we slit this in? You slide this in just like.
Now we're done making our purse.
Like that. No, we're not done yet. We still gotta put the accessories. Alright, so now that we got this done, this
when
is.
we made the purse.
We got this. This is from Unicorn
And
Purse.
we put all of the hearts and stuff.
We done put all of it.
And we put it all over the purse.
Yes, it was such an easy project. It's by Creativity for Kids.
Yeah, what's
Unicorn
the back?
Purse. And that's the front, that's the back again. So it's easy to do. And what else? What else we got? Are you gonna show the inside? What color's the inside?
All the colors are pink.
Yep, it's pink inside. It's
And
like a light.
now
It's like a light pink on the
toys
inside.
in it.
Yep, you can put whatever you want inside. You can put toys. You can put phone. You can put anything in it, and you can carry it around. It's nice, right? I like it. You like it?
I'm putting Mommy's phone in here.
She gonna put her mother's phone in there. We want to thank Nana, right? We're gonna thank Nana. Mommy's old phone. All right. So we want to thank Nana, right? Because Nana the one that got it for you, right?
Yeah,
That's a nice surprise.
Nana.
Thank you, Nana. And make sure you guys like and subscribe to our channel. And we are going to say
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.